Did you know there's a lake that killed over 1,700 people in just 20 minutes without making a sound? August 21st, 1986. Lake Nyos in Cameroon looked peaceful that evening. Families ate dinner. Children played. Nobody knew the lake was about to become a silent killer. Deep underwater, volcanic carbon dioxide had been building up for decades. The lake was like a massive soda bottle, ready to explode. Then it happened. The lake turned blood red and made terrifying rumbling sounds. A giant white cloud shot up from the water and rolled downhill like invisible death. The carbon dioxide was heavier than air. It flowed into valleys where people lived. Entire villages were suffocated instantly. When rescue teams arrived, they found a horror scene. Mothers still holding their babies. Families sitting at dinner tables. People who died so fast they didn't even fall over. No buildings destroyed. No fires, no explosions. Just silence. Over 3,500 animals also died instantly. The gas traveled 16 miles, killing everything that breathed. Nature's perfect silent weapon had struck without warning.